Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the vibration on the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the watch's home screen to open the control panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll down the settings and tap vibration. Select off and then tap OK. Vibration is now turned off on your watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.